Hi, let's take a look at the Powallon Horn Alarm packaging. The box is sturdy, well sealed, and clearly labeled for safe shipping. Here's how it opens: simple, neat, and professional. Here's everything included with the Powallon Horn Alarm set. First, the Powallon Horn Alarm. 2 wireless remotes, a USB charging cable, mounting bracket with rubber pads, mounting nuts, an L-shaped installation tool, a user manual, and a zip tie for clean cable management. Everything you need is right here. Here's the Powallon Horn Alarm itself. It's got a sleek black metal design, made from durable aluminum alloy with a solid round body. The build feels strong, ready for daily rides. You can see the Powallon logo right on the front. At the bottom, under the silicone cover, there's the USB charging port and an indicator light. On the back, you'll find the product serial code. Here's the wired horn button. Soft silicone, very comfortable to press. The back uses a clip-on design, so it mounts easily on your handlebar. Now, let's test how loud this horn really is. Next, let's take a look at the Powallon wireless remote. It features a sleek silver and black design, with a smooth sliding cover. The first button arms the alarm. Once it's activated, any touch or movement will trigger a loud warning. The second button disarms the alarm instantly. The third button adjusts the alarm's sensitivity. Think of it like changing the alert level. And the fourth button works as a remote horn, similar to a car's Find My Vehicle function. Charging is simple too. Just plug the USB cable into the port under the silicone cover. It connects smoothly and is easy to remove when charging's done. Now let's check out the Powallon mounting setup. It includes a bracket, silicone pads, and 2 nut sizes for better compatibility. You can mount it on the handlebar or head tube. Simple, stable, and secure. The bracket also allows angle adjustment, so you can position the horn just the way you like. The included L-shaped tool makes tightening quick and easy. Use the zip ties to secure the cables neatly for a clean, professional look.